Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and today we're making salsiccia e patate, sausages and potatoes. This dish hails from the Puglia region of Italy, but there are variations of it all over the country. It only takes a few ingredients, it comes together really easily, perfect for a weeknight meal. So let's make it.
Start by adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a large braising dish or frying pan. If you haven't got a pan that can go from stove to oven, start it in a frying pan and then move it to an oven-safe dish. Once your pan is hot, add in your sausages. I'm using a Tuscan Italian sausage, only seasoned with salt and garlic.
You'll want around 150 to 200 grams of Italian sausages per person.
While the sausages are searing, peel and chop 2 onions. I like to slice mine in long slices from the root to the tip. Once your sausages have a nice sear on one side, flip them over. Peel 3 to 4 large potatoes, about 1 per person, and cut them into wedges. Then peel and slice 4 cloves of garlic. I normally mince my garlic quite fine, but because this is going in the oven to cook for a while, I don't want it to burn, so I'm just doing slices. Once the sausage has some nice caramelization on it, pull it from the pan. We'll be putting them back in a few minutes' time.
Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Add your onions to the pan. You'll need to add about a 1/4 cup of water in total to this recipe, but I like to add in a splash now with a little bit of olive oil to help the onions cook down and release the fond from the bottom of the pan. Once the onions start to pick up some of that color from the fond and soften, add in your sliced garlic. Then add in 3 bay leaves and the zest of a lemon. I'm peeling large strips of the lemon zest because it's easier to fish them out afterwards. Add your potatoes to the pan and season generously with salt. Add in the rest of that 1/4 cup of water. Then add the juice of your lemon, about 2 tablespoons. Finally, add in about 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped oregano. If you haven't got fresh oregano, just use dried, and give that a little stir so that all of the flavors can come together. Pop your sausages back on top of the potatoes and make sure to add any juice that might have lingered on the plate. Pop a lid on your brazier, or if you're transferring this to a baking dish, cover it with some aluminum foil, and into the oven.
You'll want to let this cook in the oven for about 30 minutes. Make sure your potatoes are cooked through and tender by piercing them with a knife. Remove the lid from your pan and let it cook for another 5 minutes so you get a little bit of brownness on the top.
A quick, easy meal that's sure to satisfy. Buon appetito!
If you're looking for another quick and traditional Italian recipe, you have to try my pasta lenticchie. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and I'll see you next week.